This was the floor plan I got. The client wanted me to create another option for this layout plan. Now in today's video, I'm going to discuss what is not working for me and how I redesigned this space, and also the final layout plan that I created. So let's start. Hi everyone, I'm Naseema Khatoon. I'm an architect and interior designer, and here on this channel I discuss about floor plan, interior design and many more things. Now consider subscribing if you like the video and find it relevant. Now let's discuss the floor plan. The plot size is 60 feet by 40 feet and it is having setbacks on all the directions, so you can have windows on all four sides. This is your entry. This is your car parking space. Once you enter, you get to see your drawing dining area. This is your kitchen and this is the master bedroom. This is another bedroom and this is the third bedroom, and all the bedrooms are attached with toilets. And this was the staircase, and the staircase was supposed to keep outside. Once I got this layout, the first thing that hit me was this staircase. It was coming right at the entry. Secondly, I would want to give a separate room over here which is having a window which is facing the road, so it is going to be very useful. This kitchen size is decent. You can see it is 11 feet by 12 feet. When you design a kitchen, it's not about the size, it's about the platform that you are giving, and here it is only this platform, so I would like to fix this. For the master bedroom, the size is decent. It is 16 feet by 11 feet, but this window is awfully placed, so once you will place the bed, you cannot create a proper headboard, so I would like to fix this. And this bedroom, the shape of this bedroom is like this. Although you can create a wardrobe so that you can have a proper rectangular room, but this window is also going to affect the bed headboards. I would like to fix this. And if you can see, all the washrooms are very cramped, and the drawing dining area is coming out squarish. See, whenever you design any space, try to give a rectangular space than squarish, because rectangular space are more functional. So this was the option that I created. Now this is your car parking area. Once you enter, this is your drawing dining area. Now this is coming out rectangular like this. Your laundry area is placed here. And now kitchen is also rectangular. Earlier it was squarish. Now you can have a parallel kitchen like this, and I have also created a platform like this. So this is your U platform, and here you are having one platform. So now your platform area has been increased. This is your master bedroom. It is having one connected washroom. The size has been increased. This is another bedroom. It is also having a very functional washroom. Now the washroom size is not huge, but it is functional. And this is the third bedroom. The washroom is placed outside, and this washroom is mechanically ventilated. It can be used as a common washroom too. I have rotated the staircase like this. The axis is still the same, but after rotating, now I can create a huge window in this bedroom. So my one bedroom is facing towards the road, and this staircase is not creating one heavy mass at the entry like it was doing earlier. Now this was the final furniture layout plan that I created. So this is your main gate. You have your car parking area over here, and now you are entering your house like this. So I have created one storage over here for all the smaller items, and now this is your decent drawing dining area. The laundry area is over here. So it's always good to connect your laundry area with the kitchen, but if it is not possible for you to create next to the kitchen, you should create it on the same floor. So here it is done. Now this is the master bedroom area. This is one kid's bedroom with connected washroom over here, and this is another kid's bedroom which is having a washroom like this, which is acting like a common washroom too. See, I've created a detailed video of each space, how I did the furniture layout plan of this area, your kids bedroom area, your this room, and how I designed the kitchen, and also the washrooms. So if you want, you can check out those videos. Those are available on my Instagram page. Now that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something from this video, and you will see my next video soon. Bye.